Every customer that came through our booth, we asked this one question: have you ever heard of SANY before? And over 50% of the people that came to the booth had never even heard the name SANY.
90% of the customer, when they visit the factory, they will buy our products. So this is the capability of SANY.
When a customer walks up to the SANY organization, this is what they see, this is what they feel, and this is what they sense.
It's its own city. Unbelievable.
SANY makes you money. When you buy our products over the competition, you're getting a product that is of great value, doesn't break down, we're responsive to your needs. It has a residual value that is second to none. And we're going to get out there, we're going to start letting people know who we are. We deliver on our promises to Invoke, you can entrust us.
They can build a machine from start to finish within 10 minutes on this assembly line.
What most people don't realize is the size and the caliber of an organization that SANY is on a global scale. When you come and you see our factories and you see our facilities and how state-of-the-art all of our facilities are, it really is a very heavy impact on anybody that steps in here.